Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with KeePassXC on Windows securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with KeePassXC on Windows securely, start by downloading KeePassXC from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch KeePassXC by double-clicking its icon on your desktop or through the Start menu. On the Welcome screen, click on Create New Database if you are setting up KeePassXC for the first time. If you have an existing database, select Open Database and navigate to the file location. For a new database, you will be prompted to create a master password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Follow the prompts to set up a key file if you want an additional layer of security. Once your database is created or opened, the next step is to add entries for your accounts. Click on Add Entry and fill in the details such as title, username, password, and URL. For passwords, consider using the built-in password generator to create complex passwords. After entering the necessary information, click OK to save the entry. To authenticate, you can either open KeePassXC or use the browser integration feature. If using browser integration, install the KeePassXC browser extension from the appropriate browser store. Enable the browser extension and link it to your KeePassXC application in the settings. This will allow your passwords to autofill directly into websites. When you need to access a stored password, simply open the KeePassXC application. Unlock your database using your master password or key file. Navigate to the entry you need and copy the password. Paste it into the login form of the desired application or website. Make sure to clear your clipboard after use to enhance security. If authentication fails, double-check that you are using the correct master password. Regularly update your master password and keep your database backed up securely. For enhanced security, you can enable two-factor authentication on supported accounts. Consider using the autolock feature in KeePassXC to secure your database when it's not in use. This feature ensures that your database remains locked after a specific period of inactivity. Finally, remember to periodically review and update your stored passwords to ensure they remain secure. By following these steps, you can authenticate with KeePassXC on Windows securely and effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.